The new Insta360 Go-To is here, so let's get straight to it and look at what you need to know. The Insta360 Go-To comes in the box with a charge cradle, USB-C charge cable, magnetic pendant mount, clip mount and pivot stand. The camera is magnetic so it can stick to any magnetic surface. The Go-To is slightly bigger than the Go-1 and at first glance it looks very similar, but the dimensions and the weights are slightly different. And the charge cradle is also bigger at 68mm compared to the 59mm of the Go-1. The charge cradle has an integrated 1/4 inch thread so you can attach it to a selfie stick or other mount. The charge cradle also has a built-in tripod so you can easily set it up for a photo, video or time lapse. And you can hand hold the case for quick and easy vlogging shots or selfies. You can take the Go-To out of the charge cradle and use the cradle as a remote control, and it works up to 10 meters away using the automatically configured Bluetooth. The camera's record button is on the front of the camera and it's slightly detached from the body of the camera, so it's much easier to press compared to the Go-1. You can set the button to record in different modes with 1 or 2 presses, and these can be configured using the app. You can also set 2 quick capture modes, so with a press of the button the camera will turn on, start recording and then turn off again. And you can set the record length between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. And the camera can record slow motion in 1080p up to 120 frames per second. You can record higher resolutions up to 1440p at either 30 frames per second or 50 frames per second. The camera has flow state stabilization and horizon leveling, so whatever the angle or the rough terrain, your footage would always look stable and stay upright automatically. And the Go-To is waterproof to 4 meters deep with an IPX8 rating straight out of the box. There are a number of different video recording modes, including flow state stabilization in Pro mode, basic stabilization video mode, HDR, time lapse, time shift and slow motion. And there are also a number of photo modes including standard, interval, night shot, star lapse and pure shot. You can select 3 different colour profiles, either standard, vivid or log. Using the app you can switch to manual mode and have more control over features such as shutter and white balance. You can choose from 4 fields of view including ultra wide and action view, which is perfect for first person perspectives. The camera has a single microphone recording in mono with an optional wind reduction filter that you can turn on in the camera's menu. And the Go-To records in MP4 format with H.264 encoding with a maximum video bitrate of 80 megabits per second. If you run out of battery you can fully charge your Go-To in the case in 30 minutes, and with the case the Go-To can keep going for up to 150 minutes before needing a full recharge at home. The camera includes a removable and replaceable lens guard to protect your lens from damage, so you can now push your camera even further without worrying about smashing the lens. And there are additional accessories available including ND filters, camera mounts to mount your camera to your pet and different camera mount adapters. And you can also buy a special edition minion version of the Go-To. The Go-To is now fully integrated into the Insta360 app, so you simply open the app and select the Go-To. And you can edit your videos with the app connected to the camera without having to download your footage first. You can do a manual edit or you can use Flash Cut to auto edit your clips into a story. And there are several categories to choose from and each option will tell you how many clips you need. And the AI will choose the best bits from your video and edit them to the beat of the music. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and you can watch these Go-To videos next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.